Now everything will be official related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. According to the News Galaxy S25 series, come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip across all the markets. So this is a good news for those who want best performance. Now you don't need to buy Ultra model to get the best performance from Samsung. You can now have it with the standard Galaxy S25. Now let's talk about the display. According to the rumors, Samsung Galaxy S25 series come with the M13 OLED panels. Samsung did not use the M14 OLED panels. Now, what's the difference between M13 OLED panels and M14 OLED panels? The big difference is between the M13 and M14. OLED panels is power efficiency. M14 OLED displays are said to be about 20% power efficient compared to M13 OLED panels. So unfortunately, we will not see any display upgrade in the Galaxy S25 series. I still think the ES25 series will be overall a lot more efficient. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with the whopping 44% power efficiency, compared to last generation also, we have a massive league is here, revealing all four colors for the entire Galaxy S25 series. So you can see once again, lots of exciting colors to choose from, especially for the EOS 25 Ultra. We have new titanium blue colors, really excited to see how it's going to look, and new sparkling colors for the OS 25 and the EOS 25 Plus in blue and green. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.